Imagine this. 50,000 years ago, a human is walking through a dry land, no map, no signs, no idea where life is hiding. The sun is burning, the body is getting weaker, and then they see something they have never truly understood before. A huge moving surface, shining under the sunlight. Water. For us, water is normal. We turn on a tap, we buy bottles, we drink whenever we want. But for ancient humans, water was a mystery. A river could mean life, but it could also mean danger. A deep, moving river had unknown creatures, strong currents, and darkness beneath the surface. Imagine standing there for the first time, looking at the water, wondering, can I drink this? Is something hiding inside? Will it help me survive? That moment changed humanity forever. Because humans discovered something powerful. Where there was water, there was life. Animals came there, plants grew there, food was nearby, and slowly humans stopped wandering randomly. They followed rivers, they built shelters, they created communities. The simple discovery of water became the beginning of civilization. But the most fascinating part, ancient humans didn't just need water to drink, they needed it to connect. Families gathered near rivers, children played beside them, hunters returned from searching for food, people shared stories while sitting near the same water that kept them alive. A river was more than water, it was a reason to stay, a reason to survive, a reason to build a future. And maybe that's why, even today, humans feel something special when they see the ocean, a river, or falling rain, because deep inside us, there is a memory from our ancestors. A time when finding water wasn't just a normal moment, it was the moment that meant we get to live another day.